Hello, how to solve this radical problem? This is square root of t power 3 equals square root of 2 power 3. We are solving for values of t that satisfy this equation. Now, look at this. If you have square root of a power n, this is just like writing a power n to the power of 1 over 2. Because the square root here simply means this exponent of 1 over 2. Now, applying that here, we have t power 3 raised to the power of 1 over 2 equals 2 power 3 raised to the power of 1 over 2. Now, if you have a power x to the power of y, this equals a power y to the power of x. So you can switch this exponent. We have t power 1 over 2 to the power of 3 equals 2 power 1 over 2 to the power of 3. Now, if you have a power 1 over 2, this equals square root of a. Applying that here and here, we have square root of t to the power of 3 equals square root of 2 to the power of 3. So let's move this over here. Then we have square root of t to the power of 3 minus square root of 2 to the power of 3 equals 0. So at this point, we can expand this using the identity. A power 3 minus b power 3 equals a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b power 2. In this case, our a is root t and b is root 2. So, applying this, we have root t minus root 2 times root t power 2 plus root t times root 2 plus root 2 power 2 equals 0. So from here, I have root t minus root 2. This cancels this. I have t plus this multiplies this. A square root of 2t plus this cancels this. I have 2 equals 0. So let's equate each of these to 0. I have root t minus root 2 equals 0. I have t close to root t plus 2 equals 0. It's time to solve each of these equations. So let's start with this one here. Root t minus root 2 equals 0. I move this over here. I have root t equals root 2. So from here, this cancels this. I have t equals 2. That's our t1. And to solve for t2 and t3, we consider this equation. So we move this over here, we move this over here. Our square root of 2t equals, this is negative 2 minus t. I can decide to take the squares or put out this equation. This eliminates this. I have 2t equals, this is negative 2 minus t times negative 2 minus t. So let's multiply out. Of 2t equals this times this, I have 4. This times this, I have plus 2t. This times this, I have plus 2t. This times this, I have plus t squared. So from here, I have 2t equals 4 plus 4t plus t squared. I move this over here. I have 0 equals 4 plus 4t plus t squared minus 2t. 4t minus 2t, that is 2t. I have 0 equals 4. This is plus 2t plus t squared. So let's rearrange this equation. We have t squared plus 2t plus 4 equals 0. So let's solve this equation to find the other values of t. And we are going to solve this using the formula method. So let's write the formula in respect to t. We have t equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 times ac divided by 2a. A equals 1, which is the coefficient of t squared. B equals 2, which is the coefficient of t. And c equals 4. So from here, we have t equals negative b plus or minus square root of, this is 2 squared, minus 4 times a is 1. We have 4 times 1 times c is 4 divided by 2 times 1. So from here, you have t equals negative t plus or minus square root of 4 minus 16 divided by 2. So from here, we have t equals negative b plus or minus square root of, this is negative 12. Our b is, this is supposed to be b. B is negative 4. B is 2, so this will be negative 2. So from here, this is divided by 2. We have t equals negative 2 plus or minus, there's minus here. Square root of negative 1 times square root of 12 divided by 2. So from here, this is I. We have t equals negative 2 plus or minus I times square root of 12. This is 4 times 3 divided by 2. So from here, we have t equals negative 2 plus or minus I times, this is square root of 4 times square root of 3 divided by 2. So from here, we have t equals, this is negative 2 plus or minus I times square root of 4, this is 2 times root 3 divided by 2. This cancel, this cancel, this. We have t equals, this is negative 1 plus or minus I times root 3. So we have two complex values for t right now. So we have t2 equals negative 1 plus I times root 3. And we have t3 equals negative 1 minus I times root 3. These are the two complex values for t. We also have one real value for t, which is t equals 2. And we can as well verify that. We have t equals 2. That means you have square root of t power 3 equals square root of 2 power 3. Our t is 2. You substitute this for t. And square root of 2 power 3 equals square root of 2 power 3. So from here, we have, this is square root of 4. That is 2 times 2 times 2. That is 8 and 4. Square root of 8 equals square root of what? 8. This and this are the same. So this has satisfied the equation, guys. So this is how you solve this radical problem and finding all values of t that satisfy the equation. Now, don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your friends. Thank you and see you in our next video. Goodbye.